Our hair is always growing. Even after we get it cut, it always grows back. And my hair has gotten really long, so it's time to get a haircut. Let's go. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Excellent.
Good. I'd like to get a haircut, please.
Perfect. We can do you in about 5 minutes, so if you want to go hang your coat up, have a jump in the ballroom, and we'll give you a call when we're ready.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Thanks. Wow, this place is really cool. Let's take a look around. Wow, look at all the colors. Is that a parrot? It is a parrot. Cool. Whoa, a fire truck seat. Look at all the fun stuff. Neat. Look, there's a ball pit. Woof. Okay, let's go check it out. Woo. Wow, what a great place to get your hair cut.
I'm ready for you now.
Oh, okay, I'll be right out.
Okay. Okay, you can have a seat over here.
Okay, great. I like blue, that's my favorite color.
Okay, so I'm going to cover you up, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. So now, how short did you want to go on your hair?
Well, I like my hair long, so I still want to keep it nice and long. So
Okay.
maybe, like that much?
So about 4 inches, is that good?
Yeah, could I still put it in a braid?
Yes,
if it
you
was
can
like
still
that?
do a braid.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Perfect.
So I'm going to spray your hair a little bit.
Okay.
I'm going to comb all the knots out. Okay. And then I'm going to use my special rainbow scissors.
Oh, wow, look. Rainbow scissors, they're all different colors. So you use special scissors to cut
Yes,
hair.
we do.
If they're not like the scissors I use when I cut paper for crafts. And
No, you shouldn't use that. Don't even try to use them. There you go. That's about 4 inches.
Oh, wow. That's my hair. That's great.
What do you think?
It's great. Oh, it's really nice. It's just a little bit shorter. That's perfect.
Did you want me to put a braid back in your hair?
Yes, please. The fun thing about going to get a haircut is sometimes you can do something completely different and new. Or you can just get a little trim, make your hair look really nice and healthy like I did today. Wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's great.
There you go.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll get your coat.
Great.
There you go.
Great, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
I really like my new haircut.
Good.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Hey everybody, it's Caitie. Thanks for joining us today. I'd love it if you would subscribe to our Caitie's Classroom channel, and I'll see you soon.
Woo!